Hello everyone. I'm standing outside our box trailer right here. It has a RV vent that's cracked and dry rotted all can be, and it's got a few other leaks and stuff. But we're going to use this box trailer as our storage area. We're going to leave it at a family member's house where we're gone, just to have some storage and stuff. I'm going to show you how to change out the vent. I already got half of it done. I was like, this is something I probably should show somebody just in case they want to know how to do it for reference. It's the same thing that's in a RV or trailer or anything. It's all the same stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I've taken apart already and then show you what I've done, and I'll show you the rest. Okay, you can see here I already got the bottom piece off, which is this guy down here. It's got 4 screws in it, and that just sits right up in there like that. Normally you'd be flush to your RV roof and all that stuff. So you basically, normally RVs just have regular screws. You just take those 4 screws out. This comes right down, just like an RV would. Sorry for the bad camera work. And then the screen sits right up in there. And all you got to do is press, put one finger here and one finger on the other side and push in, or it doesn't matter if it's on either end, doesn't matter. Just kind of push in and it kind of squishes it, and then you can just pop it right down and that comes right out. And then you have your actual brazier. Normally you have a twisty handle on there. A little screw, that thing comes right off. But this has 2 screws, one here and one there. Pop those 2 screws out, and this simply just slides right out like that. Goes right through the hole and falls apart, but still works. And then you take that out, and then we'll go out to the outside and I'll show you from there. Alright, as you see, I got the new top right there. There's the old one still trying to fall apart. Let's see if I can get over to it. Basically just lift it up. You can see this one has a metal, and this tab right here will be, hopefully you can see that, be bent down. So you just bend this tab up, and it simply just slides out. So let me get that, and then we'll show you when it's new one's on there. Alright, you can see the new one's on. I just got to bend those 2 tabs, and then I'll go right back inside, and I'll see you in there. Alright, back inside now. You can see the new one's on there. No more hole. It still opens and closes. It's got the 2 flaps on there that keep it locked. All you got to do is simply take this back in there, find that little hole, push him through, and then we'll go ahead and screw in those 2 guys, put him back on, and screw that back on, and you're done. There's actually something I missed. There is a screw, you can see it right here on this screen piece, and one right here. This thing's just so dry rotted that when I just grabbed it, it just fell down. I realized, oh, it broke the plastic pieces. So could use a new one of these screens too, but this here plastic piece will just hold it up in place, so it's not that big of a deal to me. Other than that, that's going to be it. So just to reiterate, take 4 screws off of the bottom base plate. Same, like I said, same with the trailer, RV, anything. There's going to be 4 screws on that bottom piece that's inside your trailer. Take that down. And there's 2 screws right here in this screen. If yours doesn't have it, then of course just squeeze and pull down. But if you do see these screw holes, screw those out. Take off the handle piece with the screw, pop him out, screen comes out. Then you got those 2 screws on the actual handle attachment, and then just slide him out. And go on the roof, bend those tabs on your cover, slide it out, slide the new one on, bend the tabs back on the end again, come inside and replace. And just gotta do everything backwards. So that's it. That's just a quick little tutorial video how to change out the vent cover for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer anything for you. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe to help out the channel. I'm going to put the last 4 screws in because I'm sweating like a stuffed pig in here. It's a little warm. And until next time, keep those dreams of adventure alive. Alright, take care.